This is Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds, with your Tip Tuesday. Boy, it has been a crazy, crazy day. And I'm sorry I have not been posting as many videos as I normally post, but just been having a lot of stuff going on and a lot of work to do. I started a new company, and it's been going like gangbusters, and been having a lot of properties to deal with that company. It's a real estate brokerage, and so just trying to get the systems in place so that it can run more efficiently without me having to oversee so many different parts of it. But anyway, happy investing. Hope everybody is doing well. I'm actually going to be down in South Florida next week, March 15th and 16th of 2022, in case this video, somebody's watching it later on, like in a year from now. I'll be down in South Florida March 15th and 16th, teaching the 2-day field trip, the boot camp, all about tax deeds, tax liens, overages, all those questions you guys ask me about tax deeds and stuff. And we're going to be doing actual auction while we're down there as well. So you definitely can sign up. Just go to my website, buyingtaxdeeds.com, or queenoftaxdeeds.com for information, queenoftaxdeeds.com for info. I'm actually proud of myself for leaving the office while it is still light outside. Because lately I've been leaving and it's dark, headed to go work out, but now it started to sprinkle, which, you know, it's not good because I wanted to walk outside. I wanted to work out. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you guys because one of the tips I wanted to give is that sometimes people ask me, well, if you're buying the properties before the auction directly from the owner, what deed should you use? Well, my answer, if you have to ask that question, is no deed, okay? Contact the title company, send the title company your contract, and they will do the closing for you. You don't need to figure out what type of deeds you need to use. Let the title company do that. They'll be the middleman. They'll take the money. They'll make sure you get paid, and they'll make sure the buyer, actually, you're the one buying, so they'll make sure you get the deed and that the actual owner of the property does get their money, and the seller, they do get their money. So just let the title company handle it. I mean, you don't have time to become an in-house title agent and make sure you have all the disclosures required by law, and making sure you're filling out the deed correctly, putting together closing statements and stuff like that. I used to do some of that stuff when I first got started, and then that's how I learned that is not the most efficient way to do this. You will become a professional title person, title company, title closer, and not a professional real estate investor. So trust me on this. Don't bother doing it on your own. Just have the title company do it. I got a deal going on right now where we have a title company, and it's driving me crazy. Just because we're on the sales side, and the buyer can't find the emails and is not communicating. There's a language barrier and is not communicating, can't find the emails that he's been sent over and over to do the electronic signing, or even to send the money in to the bank. So it is so much better to just be able to turn that over to the title company, although I've been on the phone and on email with the title company to find out what in the world is going on. This was supposed to close yesterday, and today, which was a Monday, today is Tuesday, and the seller has signed paperwork, but the buyer has not submitted their funds or signed the paperwork. I believe that they're doing that right now today, hopefully. So they're working that out with the title company and everything. And guess what? I'm out looking for new deals. You should be looking for new deals, not sitting there trying to figure out which deed to give the person. Now, in a crunch, yes, you can do something like that. But if you're not in a crunch, absolutely not. Let the title company handle it, or, get an attorney if the deal has some money. If you're making some money, you can afford to pay closing cost. I mean, the title company is going to charge you like $300 closing fee. So you got to be making some money on this deal. Otherwise, why are you buying the property? The deal can afford to pay the title company the $300. So just do it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to go through here with you guys today. Don't forget, I'll be having the class. If you are interested, go ahead and sign up. It is next week, March 15th and 16th, down in Miami Lakes. So be down in Miami. Give you a reason to spend a couple days down in Miami. The weather's pretty good here right now in Florida. It's a little drizzly right now where I am in Orlando, but we'll be headed down to Miami for the class momentarily. I have a cross hanging here in my car, and that's what you see that keeps swinging in front of this camera. Anyway, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know, who are you using to close your deals? Are you doing your own tabletop type closings, or are you using a title company or an attorney? I'm curious to know how many people these days are actually still doing your own, because that's a whole lot of work. Trust me, been there, done that. It ain't worth it, okay? Especially if there ends up being a problem and you don't want to be on that end, because I'm sure you don't have insurance to cover you doing all this paperwork and everything. All right, chat with you later. Happy investing.